Five tattvas are anyways manifesting in our life in any situation, you see. Just I'll give you example. You want to experience the subtle aspect of it or grosser aspect of it. It is up to you. You see how it works. Let's talk about an office meeting. How does it go? You decide a place for it first. That means you decide that this is the space where I'll be meeting. You send a meeting invite, 5-10 people come in, and then there is communication starting. Okay, that means thoughts coming out, pouring out. That is called Vayu Tattva, because Vayu Tattva is what? Communication, ideas. Those ideas will start coming in. So in that given space of meetings, thoughts are coming. And what will happen next in the formation, in the Srishtikram, you have this sequence. From Akasha comes Vayu, from Vayu comes Agni, from Agni comes Jala, and from Jala comes Prithvi. See how it is working. Out of those ideas, I know that you would not agree to some and you would agree to some, and similarly other people also. So what will happen? There will be an argument. After ideas come, there is always an argument. There is always a heated argument. There is always a temperature rise there. Agni comes in. But after that, everybody who is a moderator takes the lead and says, calm down, let us arrive at certain results. That is what is called Jala. That normalizing starts coming, you precipitate, and then Prithvi Tattva, the actionables come out. So if you want to experience Tattvas, you don't have to move far. You just need to view things from a different perspective, and you'll see that the whole cycle of things around us is the same. It is the same. So become more observant, and you'll find many more opportunities to connect with these Tattvas in your day-to-day life.